Hello friends, here we will try to set up Hadoop on Ubuntu 18.04. So Apache Hadoop 3.1 has some prerequisites. It requires Java environment available on your machine, and we are going to set up here Hadoop 3.1.2 single node cluster on Ubuntu 18.04. So first of all we will create a user Hadoop, and inside that we are going to make the provisions. For that purpose I will change the login to the super user from my normal login. So I have came to root right now. So here I will run the command add user Hadoop. So it is going to create a new user, that is Hadoop. I'm setting the password and all the remaining values are as it is. Right now the new user has been created. Now I am going to log into that user by making use of command sudo Hadoop. So here you can find I have logged into Hadoop. So in one tab of the machine of the terminal I am having Hadoop user, and another tab is having my normal user. So I'm going to perform all the things over this tab. So let us create the secure shell key generation by making use of RSA encryption algorithm to generate the secure key for the setup. So this particular secure hash algorithm 256-bit key has been generated. Now we need to check that key, and we are going to change the read write permissions for the authorized keys by making use of chmod. So these things have been done. Now we need to verify whether the setup has been done properly or not. So we'll run command ssh localhost. So it is asking me the permissions. I have allocated the permission. Now as the login has been done, I will exit from here. Now we need to download Hadoop. Either you can download it or by making use of wget command, or you can directly get it from this site. I have already taken Hadoop setup which is present over here. So if you are going, I am already having the setup of Hadoop present over here. So here is that particular setup. So I am going to copy that into the Hadoop user. So let us copy that content inside Hadoop user. We will go inside Hadoop user. We will find that here it is. Here it has been copied, so I will remove this particular directory. Running command ls. Now only this copied content is available. Go to the Hadoop user. Now whatever Hadoop setup is there, I am going to extract it here. So let us extract this file. It will take a couple of minutes to extract the content. So let us wait for the extraction operation. Till that time we will copy the next command, because after extraction we are going to copy it to a new folder. So as the extraction has been done, here you can find Hadoop 3.1.2 is there. So I will delete this Hadoop folder. Then I am going to copy the content of 3.1.2 into a new folder, that is Hadoop. If you are running command ls Hadoop, you can find these files are present. Now we need to set up the environment variables for Hadoop. So for that purpose we will edit the file bash rc. So we will run command nano bash rc. Go to the bottom of this file. Whatever content has been given over here, just copy it and paste it at the bottom of that file, at the tail of that file. So here you can find the Hadoop home is /home/Hadoop/Hadoop. So I press Ctrl O, enter Ctrl X. changes are saved. To make them effective, I'll run command source dot bash rc. So this is also done successfully. Now we need to access the environment variables for Hadoop env.sh. So we need to change the directory to environment variables, and here we need to set up the Java home. So let us go to line number 54. Here you will find there is a line that is export Java home. So just copy this content from here, and as we are using vim editor, press I and then press escape:\wq to save the content. So once this is done, now we need to set up the configuration files. All the configuration files are available in Hadoop home/etc/Hadoop. So right now we have came to /etc/Hadoop. First of all, we need to access core site.xml. So we will access core site.xml. So whatever changes we are going to do, we will save those changes inside this configuration. So we will save all the changes. So here you can find there is a configuration tag, and between two configuration tags there is some content. So I will copy that content every time. So this is going to identify the file system and the node inside it. So it has been saved. So Control O, enter Control X. So core site setup has been done. The next setup is HDFS site. Go and access this file by making use of nano editor. Okay, so we will copy the remaining content. First of all, we will check the DFS, that is distributed file system, and the number of nodes will be 1. Go to the next page. Some another content is there. So we are going to get name node and data node properties from here. So you can find name node and data node are present over here. So these are the name node and data node. So we have copied this, save the file. So let us check whether things are done or not. Okay, a few things are missing over here. Yes, it has been done. Control O, enter Control X. HDFS site.xml has been done. Now we'll go to the MapReduce site.xml file. Copy this content, run command nano. So here inside configurations, we need to copy the content. We are going to set up the MapReduce framework over here. We are going to set yarn. Yarn is nothing but yet another resource navigator. Done. Then we'll go to the yarn site. This is a node manager. As we have seen in the Hadoop architecture theory, that yarn is a resource manager. Again, go to the configuration, and whatever content has been given over here, just copy that and paste it over here. Once this is done, we are supposed to format the name node. Sometimes it may happen that name node is already running. We need to kill the process for that name node. So let us see. So name node is running as a process 32521. So I will go to the normal user. I will run command sudo kill -9, and what is the PID? It is 32521. In my previous attempts, the name node was running. Going to format the name node. So it's always good that if you are getting some dependencies, so as I was getting right now, so here it has started formatting the name node, and name node will be formatted. This is all about configuration of the name nodes and all the stuff. But here we need to get all the things on the UI. So we'll go to the SBin. Right now we have to start with the name node and data node. So we have changed the directory to SBin. Now we need to start the DFS. Here also it is possible that some name nodes and data nodes are already running. It is going to start the name node at the beginning. It's going to start the data nodes, and if all goes well, it will start the name node and data node. Okay, it is going to start the secondary name node also. Once the DFS is over, we will start the yarn, that is yet another resource navigator. So it has started all these things, so we will start yarn.sh /yarn.sh. Okay, so it is asking me to stop the resource manager 858 and node manager 985. I need to kill these two processes, 858 and 985. Okay, so both the processes are killed. We'll start resource navigator once again. It's going to start the manager and managers. So yarn is specifically designed for performing the resource management and node management. So here, if you are running command jps, you will get the status of the various nodes. So here you can get node manager, resource manager, data node and name node. So this is nothing but single node cluster of Hadoop. Now we need to check whether on UI all these things are running or not. These ports are available over here. Just go to the browser and check whether all these things are working or not. But here you can get the confirmation by running jps command that name node, node manager, resource manager and data node, all these things are started in the Hadoop single node cluster. So we'll copy it. So here you can find name node has been started. So I will go and I will, so here you can find overview of the name node. This is active right now. Data nodes, data node values and all these utilities.